internal combustion engine. If interested, please listen. The main component of IC engines are cylinder head, cylinder block, cylinder liner, crankcase, crankshaft, piston and piston rings, rocker arm, spring-loaded intake exhaust valve, carburetor in the case of spark ignition engine, fuel injection pump in the case of compression ignition engine, spark plug in the case of spark ignition engine, fuel injection nozzle in the case of compression ignition engine, and flywheel. The main difference between two-stroke and four-stroke engines are one power stroke in one revolution of crankshaft in case of one two-stroke engine. In case of four-stroke engine, one power stroke in two revolution of crankshaft. I will give you more information later. Thanking you.